Paleozoic succession of India with special reference to Kashmir area. The time frame of Paleozoic is from 570 million years to 225 million years. The rock of Paleozoic are exposed in Indian in Kashmir area and in the Spiti area. One more region is there in Pakistan, that is Salt Range, which is also exposed, but we will be only dealing with the successions of India. At the lowermost, we'll find the Salkha group, which is of Archean age, which is followed by Dogra slates, which marks the boundary between the Precambrian and Cambrian. Then the Paleozoic succession is divided into various periods like Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Carboniferous, and Permian. All these rocks are exposed in the Lidar Valley and Kashmir Valley area. The Cambrian rocks are clay, limestone, vacchi, quartzites, and they also yield a good assemblage of trilobites and brachiopods fossils, which is overlain by Ordovician series, which is made up of shales, limestones, and silts. The Ordovician series is overlain by Silurian, which is arenaceous shales and limestone, which is followed by Devonian, and it is very important because this is represented by Mud quartzite. It is around 650 to 700 meter thick succession of quartzite. Then the Carboniferous. In India, Carboniferous deposits are Sarangotharis limestone, Fenestella shales, agglomeratic slates, and Panjal traps, which is a basaltic lava flow. The Carboniferous is overlain by Permian, where we have Gangopteris, which is Lower Gondwana, and Jeevan formation of beds. The Jeevan beds are overlain by this the Permian. Then after that, after Paleozoic, we'll have Mesozoic succession, in which we have Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Now we will deal with the Paleozoic succession of India with special reference to Kashmir. Hello viewers, today we'll be dealing about marine Paleozoic sequences of Himalaya with special reference to Kashmir. Welcome to Geology with Saran. The Paleozoic era began at about 570 million years ago and lasted for 2 to 5 million years ago. This era is divided into Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Carboniferous, and Permian. The Himalayan region remained a marine basin for the most of the Paleozoic era. The Tathian Himalaya exposes some of the classic Paleozoic successions rich in fossil records. The Paleozoic formations of Kashmir is found in Kashmir Valley to Lidar Valley, which rest over unfossiliferous Dogra slates, which itself lies over the Precambrian crystalline rock of Salkha group, which is regarded as of Archean age. The Dogra slates were described by Wadia in 1928 from southwestern Kashmir and Pooch district, consisting of slates and phyllites with bands of quartzites and alternated lava flow. Here the succession shows you that how the Paleozoic succession of Kashmir is exposed. We have Salkha group, which is of Archean age, which is followed by Dogra slates, which marks the boundary between the Precambrian and Cambrian. Then we have Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Carboniferous, and Permian. These are the rock types which are exposed. The Carboniferous is also divided into Mississippian and Pennsylvanian in American division, but here we just take it as Carboniferous, and which is whose formations are like Sarangotharis limestone, Fenestella shales, agglomeratic shales, Panjal traps. Then in Permian we have Gangopteris beds and Jeevan formation. Let's look over the stratigraphic succession, which is as follows. Cambrian rocks. The Dogra slates are overlain by Cambrian succession comprising of clays, limestones, grey vacchi, and quartzites. They have yielded many fossils of trilobites, brachiopods, and other organisms, which is of invertebrate. The Ordovician rocks, they are composed of quartzites, limestones, which contain number of invertebrate fossils. The Silurian rocks, the rocks of Silurian are composed of arenaceous shales and impure limestones, which the fossil includes orchids. Orchids were the extinct brachiopods, corals, crinoids, which are echinoderms. Now we have Devonian rocks. The Devonian rocks consist of totally unfossiliferous sequence of massive quartzites, which is known as Muth quartzite by the name of the pass over there, and the sequences are about 650 to 700 meter in thickness. The Devonian rocks are overlain by Carboniferous rocks. The Carboniferous rocks are named as Lower Carboniferous with the Serengothrys limestone, Middle Carboniferous Fenestella shales, Upper Carboniferous agglomeratic slates, Carboniferous Gangopteris beds. Now we'll take each and every formation in detail. Serengothrys limestone. In northern part of Kashmir, the Muth quartzite is confirmably overlain by Serengothrys limestone, which is a succession of grey and dark blue limestone with few interbeds of shales, quartzites and traps. The limestone is rich in Serengothrys fossil, which is a brachiopod. Fenestella shales. The Serengothrys limestone is overlain by thick succession, say around 600 meters, of calcareous shales and quartzites. The shale contains abundant fenestella, after which the whole succession is named. This succession has also yielded bryozoans, brachiopods, pelecypods, which is also known as lamellibranchians or bivalves, crinoids, trilobites and corals. This is overlain by agglomeratic slates, which is a succession of slate, sandstone, quartzite and conglomerate with a few bands of limestone. The structure is named as agglomeratic slates, which well exposed in Baramulla district of Lidar Valley, Anantnagar district, etc. This succession has yielded Serengothrys, Spirifer, Productus and Eurytisma, and it also contains few Gondwana plants. The agglomeratic slates are overlain by Panjal traps. Their intermixed thick succession of andesitic and basaltic traps, they are known as Panjal traps or Punjab volcanics. Dolerite dikes and sills comprising of intrusive equivalent to Panjal volcanics have intruded the Fenestella shales, agglomeratic slates and other older successions. Then we have Permian stratification or Permian rocks. The Fenestella shales yielding lower Gondwana fossils named as Gangopteris beds, which are overlain by 240 meter thick succession of marine fossiliferous limestone and shale of the Jeevan spur, which is named after a Jeevan formation in Vidhi district. Many fossils such as brachiopods, ammonoids, lamellibranchians, which suggests that they are of Permian age. Thank you for watching. Stay connected. Thank you.